Good morning, sunshines! Welcome to another beautiful day here in the island of La Palma. Today is Saturday and it's actually the first time in more than 2 weeks since I came here that I'm leaving my work away and I'm venturing out to explore the island a little bit. So the plan for today is basically that I hitchhike here from Cueva del Agua, which is in, let's say, northwest of La Palma, down to the west coast to Tazacorte, have a nice beach day. Here it's a little bit cloudy, windy, rainy, so hopefully there it's better weather. Spend the day on the beach, relaxing, and then go to Los Llanos, which is a town right next to it. I booked a hostel there, so I'm gonna spend the night, explore the city, maybe grab some good food. Just, have a little weekend getaway from this paradise of a place here in the north. I'm going now down to the main road and I'm gonna hitchhike because the first bus only comes in like 2 hours or something like that, an hour. Don't want to waste my time. It's 40 kilometers with a car. It takes you about an hour to get there. The roads here are very windy, very up and down because of the terrain of the island. So everywhere you go, the distances are small, but it takes you a long time because you have to drive quite slow. So let's see how long it's going to take me to hitchhike there. Worst case scenario, I just go to Punta Gorda and from there catch a bus. It would be really cool to hitchhike one way and then tomorrow I can take the bus back. All right, welcome on this trip with me. I hope you will enjoy it. This is my hitchhiking spot. It's now 9:33, so let's see how long it takes me this time. Oh, there's a car. This part of the island is not really densely populated or touristically super popular, so sometimes 10 minutes pass before a car comes by. The sun came out. I've been here for exactly half an hour now. 3 cars have passed, out of which one actually stopped, but he's not really going where I need to go, so worst case scenario, there's a bus in 45 minutes. Welcome to Tazacorte. First things first, super Dino. I feel like I'm in Wonderland after going to the local shop for 2.5 weeks, which had very limited supplies. All right, we got some groceries, some breakfast. Now let's find a nice place to eat the breakfast. Actually, here would also be nice, but just want to have a little stroll. Maybe go by the sea. This is cute. also this like seaside vibe I love. Down to banana plantations we go. Bananas! This was a really nice ride from Punta Gorda to Tazacorte. Initially I wanted to go last night, but I wouldn't see anything. Like, I feel half of the fun is seeing all the landscapes and how the island is, because I haven't been on this side yet. So yeah, I decided to rather go today during the day and just see the island. It's really beautiful, like all the barrancos and everything, super green, super nice. It's a slow drive, but still it's nice to see all the villages and how people live, the houses. I would note maybe two things. Like, one that makes me sad is, yeah, there's banana plantations everywhere and some are covered with this like white foil something, so it doesn't really look nice. It's everywhere on the island. It's also in Tenerife and I don't really like it. Especially because apparently this banana business is not profitable at all. And the second is there is no rivers here. Basically every barranco should have a river. They're all dried out, where they are diverted into these huge reservoirs that you see everywhere. And so it's basically used for drinking water and water in general. So I can only imagine before they did this how beautiful must have the island been, with water everywhere and all these waterfalls. And yeah, now it's just dry rivers, dry streams, no waterfalls. I haven't seen even one river here, which is, yeah, kind of sad that they are altering the nature like that. It's all for profit, it's all for, I mean, I want to say survival, but do we really need bananas to survive? I don't know. Water, I guess, but I think there's better ways. I'm almost at the beach. Nice. Not what I expected. Alright, this looks a little bit more promising. Yes, it's a naked beach. I love it. Also, dogs allowed. So, we are having a very basic breakfast today. We have some pan, bread, some jamon, prosciutto, some mayonnaise, olives, and this for dessert, papaya. This together with kombucha. Kombucha alone was like €2. It was €5. Very short-lived. It's actually raining now. Not exactly the beach day that I have imagined, but I have been to a beach in La Palma, which is a first. Also, I'm like in shorts for the first time on this island. It's really warm here. Love it. Well, not so much for sweating, but you know. Okay, I think my plan now is to find a really cool local bar, talk to some locals. I found some, seen some on the main square. Exciting! Yo, necesitas cerveza. Tell me if for you this is beautiful or ugly. I would really like a discussion on like ugly versus beautiful. It's a very fine line. For me, this is really charming. I mean, this one, yeah, debatable. This one is kind of ugly, but still you can find some interesting features. See, I really like this bar. No, that's nice. You will always find me in the most local place with, not always, but if I can, where only local people go. Eslovaca, no, eslovena. Eslovenia, Slovakia, no es. I already have people buying me cervezas. Hola, Miguel. Yo no quiero mi video. I've been at this bar for like 3 hours now, speaking to locals, some in English, some in Spanish. There's also some birds. He wants a beer. ¿Dónde es mi cerveza? But yeah, I'm having a great time here. No reason to leave, except that I have to go to Los Llanos para mi dormir. It's amazing. The sun is hitting my face. We have cold cervezas. It's good vibes. Honestly, I would not want to trade this or be anywhere else in the world for nothing. I have a dog now. It is my perro. Lola. Hey. This was fun, but I had to go. I mean, honestly, these 3 hours in the bar were muy bien. I have a song, banana plantation, everywhere you look it's banana plantation. Okay, so the real reason why I came to Los Llanos is Lidl. No, I'm just kidding, but damn, it will be nice to finally buy some things that I haven't been able to get my hands on for the last 2.5 weeks. All the options. Dude, this alone. I mean, this is so superficial, but God, Lidl makes me happy. They have so many good things that I want to eat. Oh. They even have Coldplay on their PA. Come on, guys, like, that's 5 stars. Look at those clouds. The clouds, dude. This town reminds me of El Médano. It's quite new, but I think I have yet to discover the really like cute places. For now, I'm just going to the hostel, drop all my groceries, and probably find a place to eat or prepare some food. Yeah, just tranquilo. Wow, look at all these murals. This is really cool. This is the room. Oh my bed. Simple, but it works. Saturday night out in Los Llanos. Let's see what's going on. I think this is the main square. Nice. I mean, I don't want to be a snob, but I don't usually eat at places with rating on Google 3.8. Like usually it's way above 4. But I got recommended this place, and it looks like it's one of the rare places that they have actual traditional Spanish Canarian cuisine, so I'm gonna give it a go. Mi comida muy rica. You have no idea how long I have been waiting to have some like real Spanish food that reminds me of good times and good places. Oh. Bon provecho. Okay, story time. About 2 years ago, I was traveling Mallorca in the Balearic Islands, and there was a day when, well, evening actually, when I took myself on like a solo date to like this really nice restaurant, and the food there was, you know, like the Spanish say la comida esta de puta madre. It was so freaking good, and since then that has like set the bar for like all the Spanish food. And yeah, I wanted to recreate this tonight, and just having perfectly salted potatoes with fucking everything. And gambas with garlic. So freaking good. Esta comida es muy rica. I don't know why they have only 3.8 on Google. The food is really good. The service is really good. I don't know what happened, but I'm really enjoying this. I love how they still write the bill by hand. It's like a special touch. Okay, now the plan is just to have a little walk around town and see if there's something happening. But it's also quite late already, so we'll see. I mean, it doesn't look like a party town, but still there's people on the square having fun. Carnival, Los Llanos. Mostly it's just kids hanging out on benches. I don't know, ¿dónde es una fiesta? It's Saturday. Sábados. Oh, look at this balcony. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to the hostel. It's un poquito frío. I'm the only person in shorts whilst everyone else is in like coats. I came out again because I thought there's some festival, carnival, something, voila. But actually it's not. I think it was just music from a bar or something. I don't know. So now I'm like, maybe get like a digestivo. Yeah, why not? At the end, I will find the party. Don't worry, I'll find it. Con Pioneer.
Pioneer,
Sí,
Pioneer.
sí.
Pioneer.
Go Santi. Good morning, world. We are in hostel in Los Llanos. It's 10:30. We're gonna go out and explore a little bit the town. Yeah, how is sleeping in a hostel compared to a yurt where I've been sleeping for the last 2.5 weeks? Damn, I take yurt any day, and I never thought I would say this, but it's so much more peaceful. Even with one person sleeping there, having a cold, it's still more peaceful than what it was here. There was a middle-aged man in the middle of the night screaming, like every now and then, I don't know, maybe a few minutes, half an hour, I don't know. He would just scream. Yeah, why not? Nothing unusual about that. All right, let's go out and explore. All right, the guy at the reception says there's a farmer's market, there's another market, secondhand artisanal things a little bit further down. There's a mirador. I think there's a lot to do, but in case we get bored in this town because it's not big, maybe we set ourselves, you know, you and me, some challenges. But first, let's just have a wander, or maybe first let's grab breakfast, some coffee. Let's see. Yes, I got 2 pastries. Don't judge. I'm spoiling myself. Got my coffee, my pastries. Coffee was only €2.10, which is quite low, I would say, especially because I drink coffee with oat milk, and in most places, in most coffee shops everywhere around the world, they would charge you extra for oat milk, like half a euro, sometimes even €1. But here in La Palma, I think so far, like anywhere I've got coffee or matcha, they never charge me extra for leche de avena, which is really cool for me. I mean, yeah, look at the prices. It's like a sandwich and some orange juice, €3.30. Coffee and brioche, $2.40. Dulces. Yeah, nice. Sunday morning, so people are enjoying their coffees and soaking the sun. It's really nice. I really like the atmosphere of this cute little town. Also the fact that it's completely surrounded by mountains. Dude, look at these trees. So colorful. So pretty. Like all down the street. Wow, so cute. How to impress me and get me excited. Give me like beautiful trees and give me nice, old, authentic architecture, and I'm yours. I'm coming to your town. Give me some recommendations maybe of where I can go marvel on the beautiful old traditional architecture and some trees. Thank you. feel like I'm already halfway to Tazacorte, and yes, it's like 4 kilometers. Alright, we are at the flea market. The good thing is I only have like 10 euros on me, so because I don't have room to really carry stuff. But maybe I get a souvenir or something. Let's see what I have.
Cuando sus padres.
We have plants, books, swimsuits, all kinds of stuff. I feel like once you've been to flea markets in Japan, nothing can top that. Honestly, those were some real gems. Un pequeño pero más. Anyone remembers them? Basically, here you hear everything but Spanish. Those were my Slovak brothers from the other day that we were on the, what I call a hippie gathering, but everyone else just calls it a gathering, communal gathering. She goes to a flea market and all she buys is a cigar for her dad, but it's made here. I know he has a lot of them, but still. So this was the flea market. I think it's every Sunday in Argual or something. I will put the location. Okay, back to the town we go. I think there are some viewpoints that we can check out. Is that the volcano that erupted? I need to check that out. So yeah, actually that small volcano over there is a volcano that erupted in 21. And as Carlo told me yesterday in the bar, it went all down to La Laguna, the town, and yeah, a lot of land got destroyed, a lot of houses got destroyed, but apparently it was still quite a lucky occurrence, event, however you want to call it, disaster, because only one person apparently died in the eruption. But yeah. Alright, we are now going to the Castillo de la Virgen. Apparently there's also a nice view there. Wow, we are going up. It's another leg day. Someone really made an effort here. It's really, really beautiful. Okay, Castillo. This is it. Wow, you can really see the town from here. Oh no. La Alma. What happened to the P? This is Los Llanos. As you see, the town is really not that big, but you know, with the area around, I guess you could probably count a few tens of thousands of people. You can also much clearly now see the volcano and actually the black where the lava went, the lava field. It's actually quite big, dude. And it went straight down to the water, so there's not much that was spared, unfortunately. And this is Montaña Roque del Muchachos. You cannot see the peak, it's in the clouds, but it's the highest peak on the island, 2,400 and something. Some of the volunteers went, they told me it's really, really amazing to go. Usually, yeah, it's above the clouds and it's just a great place to visit. So I might rent a car one of these days and drive up there because you can apparently drive almost to the top. This is Los Llanos. This is the restaurant where I was yesterday. Okay, a few words on Los Llanos. The pros. I really like how small and compact it is. It's super walkable, very quiet. It feels like everyone pretty much knows each other. I mean, throughout the whole island, I've been seeing the same people. So that's where this is a situation when the island is this small. It seems very affordable. There are plenty of cute cafes and restaurants. The temperature is great, feels like summer here, but then you have also the mountains right here, close to the sea, close to Tazacorte. Everyone is very friendly. It doesn't seem too touristy, although there's a lot of Germans on the island in general, so a lot of expats. The architecture is so cute, this traditional Canarian, colorful. Yeah, I really like the atmosphere. It's so relaxed, so chill, so peaceful and quiet. But as it is so small, there isn't really that much to do. It's now 2 p.m. and I think I'm gonna take a bus earlier at 4 p.m. because it will take me almost 2 hours to get back. I mean, I can't really find many negatives to this place. Maybe, yeah, because it's small. Like, I thought maybe it's gonna be a little bit more lively on a Saturday evening. The party where I was, I don't know if it like went full on party mode. And I was just too early because it was like 10 p.m. And I think Spanish people, they kind of start going out a little bit later. Or maybe I just wasn't at the right place and yeah, I didn't really seek hard for information where to go. So quiet now when everyone already like had their coffee and went on with their day. I had some food in the hostel. I was chilling a little bit. Now it's 4 p.m. Vámonos, let's go back home. I'm going the same direction I came. It's gonna be 2 hours, 2 buses. Yeah, I guess I will see you back in Cueva de Agua. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.